Hey Tahsin, how are you?
Not so good.
Why?
Let's get out of the city in this weekend.
It's a great idea. I'm getting sick being here, man.
Do you wanna go to the beach?
No, we always go to the beach. Let's try something interesting.
How about camping?
Yeah, camping, but sounds like terrific.
All of my ideas are terrific.
Do you have any tent?
No. Do you?
No, but I can borrow a tent from my friend.
Okay. How about a sleeping bag?
Yes, I have a sleeping bag, but what about you?
No, I don't have any sleeping bag.
Do you want to share sleeping bag?
No, thanks. I'll buy a new sleeping bag.
Okay. Do you think we should go far away?
How much time do you have?
I think Friday.
Okay, I can wait Friday too. When will we be back today?
Sunday.
Okay, we'll be back Sunday.
What we are gonna do in camp?
How about hiking?
Hiking. But we should not go far away from our tent.
If we stay the ground of camp, will we bring the barbecue?
Of course. What is camping without barbecue?
Will you make your famous hamburger?
Yes, I will bring my famous hamburgers.
Should we invite our friends?
Yeah, let's do it then.
That's going to it.
I can't wait.